Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to change your Siri name on your iPhone. First, unlock your iPhone and open the setting app. Scroll down and tap on Siri and search. Inside Siri and search, tap My Information. This is where Siri gets your name from. Siri uses the name saved in your contact. Tap your contact name from the list. If your name is wrong, tap Edit. At the top, change your first name or nickname to what you want Siri to call you, then tap done. You can also say, "Hey Siri, call me." Siri will ask for confirmation, say yes, and Siri will remember it. Now say, "Hey Siri, what's my name?" Siri should respond using your new name. And that's it. That's all for today's video, guys. If you found this video helpful, drop a like and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.